Everything moves in space and time. In a world of uncertainty, change is constant. And we believe that if you can see clearly, you can adapt to change. Elekta Unity is an MR-Linac with continuous anatomy-specific MR imaging and comprehensive motion management for precision radiation therapy. See what you could never see before, with anatomy-specific MR imaging, enabling you to visualize your target and healthy tissue clearly, even when it's moving, before and during treatment. Improve outcomes with reduced margins and safe dose optimization through superior visualization, online plan adaptation, and comprehensive motion management. Treat more patients with shorter, more condensed treatment cycles. Deliver the best treatment today and tomorrow, with dedicated support and simplified workflows to confidently deliver adaptive treatments from day one. Learn from every patient treated, because Unity is more than just a system. Access to an experienced MR-Linac community for peer support will make you part of the present and future of radiation therapy. With Elekta Unity, you can see clearly, adapt to change, and be certain that you are delivering the treatment you prescribed every time. More than confident, certain. Elekta Unity. See the difference.